Alright guys, so here we are back again with another 135i video, and today we are going to be looking at a problem we're having where the check engine light came on, which is not unusual for a BMW, but as you can see right here, this is the code I got the other day. It's a 2C73 oxygen sensor after catalytic. So basically the O2 sensor that comes after the cats, basically after the cats, the Sensor 2. And I looked it up online, and apparently the 2C73 is the bank 1 sensor 2. Basically doing today is replacing the rear oxygen sensor. Now I have these two extra ones. I'm not sure what brand they are. They came inside this box, which is for the Vanos solenoid, which is not even the right box. But these are extra ones I found in a 335 I bought a while ago. So they're brand new, and I for sure know that they're for N54. I just don't know what brand they are, but they're better than nothing. But anyway, so obviously one of these, it goes on one side, the other one goes on the other one. But we are just going to be replacing the bank 1, just because I don't want to replace the other one, because since I am catless right now and on E, I'm not sure if that's the reason why it killed the last one. So in case it does kill the other one, I'll have an extra one, and then, you know. So today we're just going to be replacing the bank 1. But you can basically follow and get a general idea on how to replace both of them. And either way, I think one of them you do have to drop the whole exhaust. Alright, so here we are under the car, and I already found out that this downpipe right here, or this sensor right here, is the one where the one that's failing so far. The reason I know that's because this pipe right here goes to the front turbo, and that's bank 1. So all we basically gotta do is, let me get this out of the way, unhook it right here. There we go. And then we got the special socket that might just work. You can see it's a special O2 socket. Alright, so what we did was obviously take off this connection that went here, right there, and then we went over here and I fed the socket through right here because this is too fat. So we fed it all the way from the bottom, and it fit on perfectly. And then we put the ratchet right here, and boom, we loosened it. And then it should just come off by hand, you know, because it's already loose. I did do my downpipes not too long ago. I have a video of that on my channel, but I did put some anti-seize right here. That's why it came off so easy, because usually these things are pretty tight. Okay, so we took it off. This is it right here. As you can see, it's a green, which, I mean, this one right here is green too. So I'm just gonna measure it to make sure it's like the same size. Alright, so as you can see, they're pretty much the same size. I don't really think there's a big of a difference. I think the ends look the same. It's just maybe the length is more custom for that specific reason or something. But as you can see with the old one, it does have this like weird corrosion right here, which might be the reason why it's not working. And then again, it is pretty black already. No cats, you know. But yeah, we're just gonna be replacing it. I'm not even sure what this brand is, but I mean, it already comes with the anti-seize. It looks okay. I mean, as long as it works. I think I'm gonna have to remove this sleeve right here and put it on here, and here we go. Alright, so actually it looks like I can't remove the sleeve because it can't really come out through there or through here because it's too big, and to put it on I would have to chop this off. So we're just gonna put it on like this. So here we are under the car. We're just putting it on. It's going in pretty easy. I mean, it has anti-seize already on there. Looks like to be fitting okay. Only problem I see is the sleeve, like I said, but I mean, I don't think there should be that big of a difference. And then to do the top one, or the bank 2, that one for sure you would need to drop the exhaust a little bit, because as you can see, you can't really reach that. Or I mean, you might be able to do it, but at least in my opinion, there's like no way to really get to that, even with a big wrench. So I'm not sure how you would do that, but it might be possible, who knows. And then that's pretty much it. We're just gonna connect that up. Quick setup right here. We got N55 down mid pipes, as you can see. This is an N54, but there's no caps because this is a stock N55 mid pipe. So yeah, so we're looking at so far. I'll button this up and then show you guys the rest. Alright, so I managed to put it on. Usually it would have gone right here to right here, but I kind of made it go with this one right here, and then here, and then to there. It reached perfectly. So I don't think there should be any deal with it flying around too much. So that's good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I clipped it on right here, put it on, and now we're just gonna go up, reset the code or clear the light, and then the light should be off, test drive it, and it shouldn't turn back on. And if it does, then we have some sort of problem with the wiring or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so we just cleared the codes and everything. There used to be a check engine light right there somewhere, but now there's not. Now it's just a TPMS light, which is okay because that's way better than the check engine light. So yeah, that was it. That's all it was. Looks like the sensor just needed to be changed, and we did. And I just came back from the grocery store, as you can see, driving around, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
I told her ride it like a rental, it's just a rental. I'm not with all the sentimentals, just keep it simple. You wanna know what I'm into, so you can get into it. I ain't trying to get into it, I done been through a lot of shit, been on my mental. I done been